So I had a comment on one of my videos that I did on the Canon XA-50 asking how to turn on the LUT in the camera. That way you can get a better idea of what the video is going to look like in the editor after you add the LUT to it in the editor. Now when you turn the LUT on in the camera, it's not actually being recorded that way, it's just giving you an idea of what it's going to look like. So Boomworks with a Z, he's the one who commented on my video and asked the question, so I wanted to give him a quick shout out. And let me show you how to turn on the LUT in the camera. So as you can see here, I am in the Custom Picture 3, which is the Canon Log 3 BT.709. And right now the LUT is turned off. So what you do is go to the menu, and that is the button on the back of the camera right here. Click that, then scroll over to this icon, whatever that is. Scroll down and go to number 2 setting. Right here where it says LCD Viewfinder View Assistance. This will be turned off. All you have to do is select it and turn it on. And now you can see that the picture has a little more color to it and a little more contrast. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple process. Touch of a button and you're done. So thanks for watching this video, and I do want to say that I'm using my phone to record this video because the camera is back here. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments or questions, or if you want to see any other videos on the Canon XA-50, then leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Oh, also make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, I already said that, and also make sure to like the video. Helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.